given what we've been hearing from Governor Ueda over the last few days, given what we've been hearing from other officials at the Bank of Japan, what is your view on when they move to raise interest rates?
Okay, I think that maybe BOJ will move next week to increase the interest rate with a 70% probability. So I think that the financial market expect a 50%, but I think that the probability could be higher than the consensus. Because that, as you mentioned, that the BOJ can get very important information to decide monetary policy on Friday this week. That was a result of that spring wage round. That could be a catalyst. That could justify that BOJ to move next week.
What about yield curve control? They've talked about not rushing to unwind the easy monetary policy, even if they do move out of negative rates. What happens once they move? What is the synchronization for the Bank of Japan?
Yeah, I think that one media reports that the BOJ will cancel, abolish that yield curve control together with the cancellation of negative interest rate policy, maybe as soon as next week. I think it's possible. It's possible because the BOJ concerned that in the process of increase of short-term interest rate, that could cause that, how to say, turbulence in the bond market to increase the increase of long-term yield. To reduce this kind of risk, BOJ may cancel that yield curve control and introduce that the new bond purchase target. I think it's likely, and the BOJ may continue that this new JGB bond purchase policy with a target until that the BOJ will implement that the quantitative tightening policies. I think that it could be the case in the next week. Anyway, BOJ is likely to introduce. It's possible that BOJ will introduce that transitional measures of quantitative easing policies after the cancel of YCC, maybe even next week.